Hello friends, నేను మీ కళ్యాణి. We will discuss about the general format of array initialization. The automatic arrays cannot be initialized unlike automatic variables. However, external and static arrays can be initialized if it is in the desired. The initial values must be appear in the same order in which they will be assigned to the individual array elements enclosed in a braces. And separated by the commas. The general format of array initialization is storage class, data type, array name, expressions equal to expression 1, expression 2 and so on expression n. This is the general format of array initialization where the storage class is declared to scope of the array like static, automatic or external, and data type is the nature of the data element such as the integers, floating point or characters extra. Array name is used to declare the name of an array and semicolon, and the elements are placed one after the other within a braces and finally ends with the semicolon. Here see, for example, here what have int values 5 within brackets 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 and char sex 2 within brackets male and female. Here see, the result of the above array elements are values 0 equal to 10, value 1 equal to 20, values 2 equal to 30. Here values is what? Here the name is values. That values 2 equal to 30, values 3 equal to 40 and the values 4 equal to 50. And next here second one, see here second one, char sex 2 that equal to male and female. Here char sex 2 that equal to male and female. Here char is the data type and sex 2 is the array name expression, and array elements are what? Male and female, two elements have. These elements stored as sex 0 male, sex 1 female, sex 0 male, sex 1 female. In this way, the data stored in the all the values 5 equal to 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 here have. These values are stored step by step in this manner. Okay. Now note that in C++ the first element is always in the 0th place. The first element is always placed in the 0th place. See here, first element, what is that here? 10. That element is always placed in the 0th place. Here see, here first element is what? Male, and male is placed in the 0th place. And next, it means that the array index starts from 0 and to n minus 1, where n is the maximum size of an array declared by the program. So friends, would you like my video? Please subscribe my channel. Please like this, please share this and subscribe my channel.